Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do a bar graph on Google Sheets. Okay, my bar graph will be about favorite TV shows. And the TV shows will be PJ Masks, Paw Patrol, and Wildcraft. So here I'll enter the number of people. Five, 6, and 15. In total, 26 people. In total, 26 people have been chose to vote, and 50. The most popular one is Wildcraft. So we go here, we find this, insert chart. This is the wrong chart, so we have to do a different chart type, which we'll do columns chart, which is basically the same thing as a bar graph. And the title will be favorite TV shows by kids. And here we enter the name of the TV show. And that's it for the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It'll really mean a lot to me. Peace.